Hello, my mathematicians. Happy Friday. Today, we are going to review. We're already done with our next chapter. We're going to review, and then on Monday, we're going to have our Show What You Know Day. So we're actually going to kind of skip one small little part, but it'll be okay, I promise. So we're going to do the chapter practice today. So we're going to need pages 203, 204, 205, and 206. All right, now when we do chapter practice, let's try again. Whenever we do a chapter practice, Mrs. Torres gives you two choices. You can stay on and I will go through the directions for each problem so you know what to do and you can keep pausing me. Or you can turn me off and just have your grown-up tell you what the job is for each problem. I'm okay with either way. If you like doing math with Mrs. Torres, you're welcome to do it with me. Or if it's just easier and takes less time to do with your grown-up, that's okay too, as long as your grown-up isn't busy working or isn't too busy. All right. So you choose. If you want to pause me now and go do it with your grown-up, that's okay. If not, let's get started. So we're going to start by putting our name up here. Look, I wrote Mrs. Bjorkman. Can I pretend to be Mrs. Bjorkman today? All right, are you ready? For the first problem, we have to match and see if they are equal or not equal. So we're going to draw lines, the red cherries to the brown cherries. Does that mean they are equal or not equal? If they're equal, circle the thumbs up. If they're not equal, circle thumbs down. All right, you're going to match the gloves to a helmet. Make sure if there's any extra, you box them up. And then circle the group that's greater and cross off the group that's less. Get out of here. All right, I'm going to keep going. If you're not done, just click on the screen and press the pause button. Like this. That makes Mrs. Torres freeze. I'll try to make good faces when you freeze me. All right, and then you're going to do each horse to one bale of hay, box up any extras, and circle the group that's greater and cross off the group that's less. I'm going to turn. If you're not ready, pause me. All right. This time you're going to count how many and write the numbers and circle the one that's greater. Cross off the one that's less. Are they equal or not equal? Same thing. Count, write, circle which one is greater, cross off the one that's less. Same thing. Count, write, circle the one that's greater, cross off the one that's left. All right, I'm going to keep going with directions. So just press pause and you can do those jobs, right? All right, now we get to play Prove It. So remember, you're going to draw your circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Match them. Oh, I don't have any extra to box. I think I know what that means. You're going to do the same for this, but then remember you circle the number that's greater and cross off the number that's less if they're not equal. Prove it over here. Make sure you box up those extras. And the same thing down here. You can totally press pause. Pause, Mrs. Torres. I'm just going to give the directions so that you don't have an 18-minute math video for me just telling you what to do. That'd be silly, right? Oh, this problem's going to be really tricky. Just kidding. Circle the buttons that have 4 holes. Cross off the buttons that do not. 4 holes, not 4 holes. All right. And then we're going to do the sorting just like we just practiced. This one's the freshest. We just did it yesterday, right? Green, not green. Circle the ones that are green. Cross off the ones that are not green. Make your marks. Remember 5 in each row. Or 5 in the first row and then jump to a new row if there's more than 5. Right? How many? Circle the number that's greater and cross off the one that's less. And when you finish with that job, you'll be all done with math. That was quite a few problems, but I have a feeling since you guys are so smart that it's probably going to be not so bad for you. I can't wait to see some great math work. Okie dokies.